Wow, look at that. Creek's practically half flooded from the storms. Originally I got footage, originally it was done with footage with slides. Then back in 1816, the old owners got footage with slides. Then later I got a similar service with video, the videotape. Now we have digital video. Look at that. Wow. Can you believe it? This is actually known as a 100-year flood. Pretty weird, huh? Look at that. Look how high the water is. It's incredible. Wow, look at all that flooding. Basically, if you ever let it in a water like that, it could sweep you away. It's amazing. Look at all the results of the rain. Look at all that. This is all the results of the rain last night. There's Nancy's Bridge. If you land the floors like that, you wish you didn't. Right? Look at that. It's probably half flooded. Originally, the Bancrofts got footage with this back in 1816. It was footage with slides. It was footage with slides. Then later there was a similar service with videotape. Now it's still with digital video. Kind of amazing, huh? Man, I haven't seen a water like this since Hurricane Floyd. Wow, look at that. Kids, don't ever get caught in a flood. Remember Hurricane Katrina and Hurricane Rita? It was terrible. That flood could actually sweep you away. And here's more footage of water. That water can actually sweep you away. That. Can you believe it? The whole valley flooded out. Wow, look at that. I don't like the looks of this. And we'll get as much footage as we can. Stuff like that. And there's more water footage. I don't like the looks of this. We're getting as much footage as we can. And stuff like that. Well, it's not too cold and too rainy, so we should have an advantage to us. Okay, you go. It's up fallen branches. Wow. Boy, Kramer's gonna be pissed. Look at that. Can you believe it? This is actually what's known as a 100-year flood. We haven't seen rain like this since Hurricane Floyd. Wow. This is actually a similar story to Hurricane Igor. Wow. Can you believe it? The creek practically half flooded. The creek practically flooded to the brim. If you went swimming in that, you'd wish you didn't. I think the extreme guys are going to have a field day. Wow. I don't like the looks of this. Can you believe it? Wow. Okay. Maybe we can get a shot of them. Well, Smith, you've actually seen this on Harris Vision. You've actually seen this, like you imagine. Filmed in spectacular Harris Vision. Wow, it's amazing. Wow. I think it's enough.